Okay, you mastered the introduction to this course. Now let's get a very brief introduction to running. What am I talking about? Well, let's start out with why you should care about science, just to give you an idea. So most of us have a very good gut feeling and rely on their gut feeling, and that's not entirely wrong, but sometimes you just have to research the facts. And if I'm talking about this is like A, or this is like B, or this is better, or you should drink so much, or you should run there because that's better, just keep in mind it's better for most of the people that studies were done with, but it might not be better for you. So if you know that it's better for you to drink more or drink less or sooner or later, please do so. I'm gonna just present what the science found. Science works with averages of a lot of people and statistics and math and stuff like that. Keep that in mind and let's start.